Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this moment, we are presented article about lecturer competency, student satisfaction on learning process, and student achievement. The quality of nation depends on human resources. In this regard, the Indonesian nation needs to improve the quality of its human resources to be able to compete in the era of globalization. Improving the quality of human resources can be done through education. One of the benchmarks in achievement the success of educational goal is the learning achievement used by formal education institutions to produce graduates who are competent according to their field with the standard of the national education system. Therefore, learning achievement is an interesting problem to study. One of the study programs at Pakuan University is Management Study Program at the Faculty of Economics. The Management Study Program in 2020 is expected to graduate as many as 370 people. The achievement of learning objective in the Management Study Program is determined by the level of student learning achievement, which can be seen from the Learning Evaluation Score. But the evaluation score in each semester and the Cumulative Achievement Index, or GPA, value recapitalization. GPA is an evaluation of the result carried out through a study of student performance, including the result of learning activity in each course and the entry course. This indicates the quality of education can be seen from the average value of the achievement of the grade point average, or GPA. Average GPA of management study program graduates in the last 5 years, like this. The factor that effective learning outcome are classified into two, namely internal factor and external factor. Internal factor are factors that come from the individual subject of learning, namely factors that are physical and psychological. Physical factors include fatigue, health, and other physical conditions. Meanwhile, physical factors include interest, motivation, self-satisfaction, maturity, self-efficacy, learning independence, and others. Beckham, Weiss, Shaker, and Holt, 2019. External factors that come from outside the individual subject of learning, such as lecture competency, teaching material, curriculum, teaching and learning facility, environment, and other. Yusuf, Rodin, and Awang, 2015. The problem is the study whether it's the relationship between lecture competency and student satisfaction in influencing learning achievement. So, the purpose of the study the purpose of this study is to explore information and describe the relationship between lecture competency and student satisfaction in influencing learning achievement. The benefit of research. This research is important to do because the result of this research can be used as a base for education manager, especially for the management study program, in increasing student achievement in according with the strategic plan and in order to achieve the vision and mission. Research method. This research method uses the explanatory survey. This research is including in quantitative research, where the data obtained from the sample are then analyzed according to the statistical method used for further interpretation. The population in this amounted to 371 respondents, who were the number of students in class 2017 at the Management Study Program, Faculty of Economy, Pakuan University. By using a significant level of 10% after being calculated by the sloping formula, obtained a sample of 79 students. The data collection technique was a questionnaire for primary data related to the variable of rectoral competency and student satisfaction, while for student achievement data uses secondary data obtained from the Academic and Student Information System, or SIMAC, of Pakuan University. The analytical tool used in regression analysis and correlation to determine the effect and relationship between the causal variable and the effect variable. Result, based Based on the result of data processing using SPSS, it can be seen that between lecturer competency and student achievement has a correlation value of 0.075 with a significant value of 0.513. Thus, it can be concluded that there is no significant relationship between lecturer competency and student achievement. The relationship between student satisfaction with the learning process and learning achievement has a correlation value of 0.121 and a significant value of 0.290. Thus, it can be concluded that there is no significant relationship between student satisfaction with the learning process and student achievement. Meanwhile, the relationship between lecturer competency and student satisfaction with the learning process has a correlation of 0.593 and a significant value of 0.0. Thus, it can be concluded the competency lecturer and student satisfaction with the learning process has a significant relationship. Discussion. For lecturer competency with student achievement does not have a significant relationship and contribution. These findings suggest that higher teacher competency alone may not directly result in better academic achievement for students. Meanwhile, Abbasi and Mir 2012 from Pakistan argued that independently the ability of teacher, student work as an international environment did not have a significant effect of student performance. However, simultaneously, these factors have a strong influence of student performance. Kosgei, Mese, Odera, and Ayugi 2013 and Boni 2015, but also support insignificant results. Research show that despite high teacher quality in terms of academic and professional qualification, it does not drive student performance. There is no significant relationship between student competency and performance. 2. The results of this study are in line with research McWhorter 2012. McWhorter 2012 data analysis did not reveal a relationship between student satisfaction level and student achievement. Although the study did not identify whether a higher level of satisfaction was associated with a higher level of achievement. On the final course examination, many factors affecting teacher and student satisfaction were identified. The data from this study also saw the establishing satisfaction level among teacher and student is universal, regardless of the level of the curriculum in which one is involved. However, future research improving multiple school is needed to support universal satisfaction level and the relationship between satisfaction and achievement. 3. The finding of this study indicated the lecturer competency and student satisfaction with the learning process have a significant relationship and contribution. Besides, student satisfaction refer to positive feeling associated with institutions that attend. The main factor for improving the quality of education program is assessing student satisfaction. This is because student evaluation will determine the type of academic program and their professional need. Therefore, by collecting and disseminating information about student satisfaction, adjustment will be made according to the course offered at the tertiary institution and competency of lecturer, GI 2018. The result of GI 2018 study show that the character of lecturer competency are positively correlated with student satisfaction. This relationship is a moderate level. The results show that students were satisfied when lecturer was able to foster good relationship with students, provide assignment related to their subject, quality lecture notes, emphasis course objective, organization various types of class activity, ensure varying in exam, provide feedback who is useful, timely, deliver lecture clearly and broadly. Multiple regression analysis show that there are 4 variables that are significant to student satisfaction. These variables include course objective, lecture note, assignment, and interpersonal skill. Thank you.